In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase productivity in Zendesk with a simple trigger. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the steps. First off, we need to sign in to your Zendesk account. So go ahead and open your browser and navigate to the official Zendesk website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right of the home page. Click that, and you'll be prompted to enter your account email and password. Go ahead and do that. You should now find yourself at the main dashboard. Next, we'll access the Admin Center. From your dashboard, locate the Settings gear icon, which is typically found on the left side. Click on that icon and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Go to Admin Center. This is where the magic happens. Now that we're in the Admin Center, we need to navigate to Triggers. In the side panel, look for the section labeled Objects and Rules. Click on that, and then you'll see Triggers as an option. Click on Triggers, and you'll arrive at the area where we can set up our automation. To create a trigger, click on the Create Trigger button. This is your endpoint to start building your workflow automation, which will significantly help with your productivity. Moving on, let's add some basic details about this trigger. First, you'll want to type a clear and descriptive name for it. Remember, the objective of this name is to help your team members easily understand what the trigger is for, so keep it straightforward and descriptive. Next, let's write a brief description. This helps document exactly what your trigger does and why it's important. Make it concise but sufficiently informative so anyone looking at it later will know its function. After that, you'll want to assign this trigger to a specific category. Grouping similar triggers helps keep your automations neatly organized and easy to find later. Think about where this automation fits best and select the appropriate category. Now that we've set those fundamental details, it's time to define the conditions and actions of your trigger. This part is crucial because it determines the logic behind when your trigger will actually fire. Conditions are the criteria that must be met for the trigger to activate. Once those conditions are satisfied, the actions outline what happens automatically. So think about what scenarios you'd like to automate and write those down. This will help clarify your thought process. It's all about creating a seamless workflow. Finally, once you have everything in place, it's time to save your efforts. Click on Create to finalize and activate your new trigger. There you go. You have successfully set up a trigger that will help improve productivity in Zendesk. And that wraps up our guide on using simple triggers in Zendesk. You're now equipped to automate tasks that will allow your team to focus on more pressing matters. Remember, the goal is to streamline your workflow, and triggers are a fantastic way to achieve that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more